Number 5 says, given the zeros and the end behavior of a polynomial function, sketch the graph of the polynomial. So this is trying to see if you can take this information and make a graph out of it. So knowing the zeros are -3, 1, and 5, I can put -3, 1, and 5. Remember, zeros are the same thing as x-intercepts, where it crosses the x-axis. Now, my end behavior, this is being able to read the sentence, so it's just opposite of translating. Before you were having to write the math, now you're trying to go from the math sentence to the graph. So this says, as x goes to -infinity, that means goes to the left. So as I go to the left, f of x, that's the same thing as y, right? So y, or my output, goes to +infinity. So I'm basically, as I go to the left, I'm going up. So I know that as I go to the left, I'm going to be going up. And then here, this says, as I go to the right, right? As x goes to +infinity, so as I go to the right, f of x is going to go down. My output, or my y's, are going to go down. So as I go to the right, my y's are going down, right? So because I know that this is the way things are going, I can kind of guess that it's going to look like that. So I don't know what my min and my max are. So I can't know if this is going to be really steep and way down here and way up here, or if this is going to be very shallow. But I can definitely know which direction it's going to go. So I'll do one more, and then the other ones you do C and D yourself. So here are the zeros: -6, -2, 1, and 4. So I'm putting those on my x-axis for my 4 zeros. And then here, as x goes to -infinity, this means left. Y goes to -infinity, this means down. So I need to go left and down. And then here, as x goes to +infinity, that means right. Y goes to -infinity, that means down. So again, that means right and down. Okay, so now I kind of have an idea that this must go up a little bit and then down a little bit and up a little bit and down a little bit. And again, I'm not quite sure how far up or down, but I can sketch a graph of these two important features. So our graph will at least have the important x-intercepts and the important end behavior. So you do C and D.